As we move forward, let's explore expert tips to enhance your maintenance routine further. These insights will ensure your generator remains a reliable source of power whenever the need arises. Welcome to our Expert Maintenance Tips segment, where we delve into the wisdom of industry professionals to elevate your generator care practices. In this part of our comprehensive guide, we'll unveil advanced techniques that ensure your generator remains in peak condition even during extended storage periods. You'll learn about sophisticated methods that go beyond the basics, emphasizing the nuances of maintenance that only experts know. We'll highlight common pitfalls to avoid, like neglecting routine checks or using improper cleaning methods, which can lead to avoidable wear and tear. By understanding these advanced strategies, you'll not only extend the lifespan of your equipment, but also enhance its reliability, providing you with peace of mind during critical times. Our insights are drawn from the best in the field, ensuring you receive tips that are both practical and effective. Stay tuned as we continue this journey into optimizing your generator's performance. Up next, we'll debunk common generator maintenance myths to further refine your approach to keeping your generator in top shape. Let's debunk some common myths about generator maintenance and clarify the truths. Many believe that once a generator is stored, it requires little to no attention, but the reality is quite different. One prevalent myth is that fuel can sit indefinitely without degrading. In truth, fuel degrades over time, leading to gummed-up engines and clogged fuel lines. It's essential to treat and rotate fuel regularly to maintain optimal performance. Another misconception is that batteries remain fully charged while in storage. However, batteries can lose charge over time, potentially leaving you powerless during critical moments. Regular checks and maintenance are crucial to ensure readiness. Some assume that generators are immune to environmental conditions while stored, yet exposure to extreme temperatures or moisture can cause significant damage, leading to corrosion and reduced lifespan. Proper storage conditions are vital to protect your investment. These myths can create costly misconceptions, impacting the reliability of your generator when you need it most. By understanding the facts and debunking these myths, you can ensure your generator is always ready to perform efficiently and safely. In the next segment, we'll hear real user stories about their experiences with generator maintenance and its impact. In this segment, we dive into the heart of our community, real users who've experienced the ups and downs of generator maintenance. Their stories bring to life the profound impact that regular upkeep can have. Meet Sarah, a homeowner who faced an unexpected power outage but stayed calm, knowing her well-maintained generator was ready. Then there's Mike, a business owner who learned the hard way about the challenges of neglecting maintenance, leading to costly repairs. These testimonials highlight both successes and lessons learned. They showcase how diligent care can prevent the dreaded scenario of a non-starting generator during emergencies. Real users reveal how consistent maintenance practices have safeguarded their investments, ensuring reliability when it counts the most. You'll hear about the triumphs and trials, and how simple adjustments in storage conditions or regular battery checks have made all the difference. These voices serve as a testament to the value of proactive maintenance, emphasizing the peace of mind it brings. As we move forward, we'll explore more practical strategies to empower you in maintaining your generator effectively. When it comes to maintaining your generator, the choice between DIY maintenance and professional services can be a tricky one. On one hand, DIY maintenance offers the benefit of personal involvement. It allows you to understand the intricacies of your generator, ensuring that each component is cared for just as you desire. Plus, it can be cost-effective, saving you money on service fees. On the other hand, professional services provide a different set of advantages. With expert knowledge, professionals can quickly identify and fix potential issues before they become serious problems. This ensures your generator is in top condition, ready for any emergency. They bring specialized tools and experience that might be out of reach for a typical homeowner. So how do you choose the right approach? Consider your comfort level with technical tasks and your availability. If you enjoy getting hands-on and have the time to dedicate, DIY might be perfect for you. However, If you're looking for peace of mind and a guarantee of quality service, professional maintenance could be the way to go. In our next segment, we will delve into the cost-benefit analysis of maintaining your generator regularly. Let's look at the cost-benefit analysis of maintaining your generator regularly. Neglecting maintenance might seem like a way to save money in the short term, but the costs of such neglect can be staggering. When a generator fails during a critical moment, not only do you face the inconvenience, but potential repair bills can skyrocket. Imagine dealing with a gummed-up engine or a dead battery in the midst of an emergency. On the other hand, regular maintenance offers substantial savings. By investing a little time and effort now, you prevent larger problems down the road. Moreover, the long-term financial benefits are significant. A well-maintained generator has an extended lifespan, providing reliable service for years to come. In our next segment, we'll explore how proper maintenance practices not only extend your generator's life, but also contribute to building brand loyalty and trust. In the journey of maintaining your generator, building brand loyalty is an often overlooked but crucial benefit. Proper maintenance doesn't just extend the life of your generator, it also fosters trust and satisfaction among customers, laying the foundation for long-term relationships. Imagine a scenario where your generator performs reliably every time you need it, thanks to regular upkeep. This reliability not only reassures you, but also strengthens your confidence in the brand you chose. Brands like Champion, known for their dependable performance, benefit from this trust, as satisfied customers become loyal advocates. By consistently delivering on promises through maintenance, brands demonstrate their commitment to quality and reliability. This dedication is what transforms a one-time buyer into a lifelong supporter. In this segment, we emphasize that maintaining your generator is more than a technical task. It's an investment in the relationship between you and the brand. As we continue, we'll explore how maintaining your generator properly also contributes to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Stay with us as we delve into the broader impact of maintenance on both your peace of mind and the planet. In a world where sustainability is more than just a trend, proper generator maintenance stands as a beacon of environmental responsibility. By diligently maintaining your generator, you are not only ensuring its optimal performance, but also making a significant impact on our planet. Imagine reducing waste simply by keeping your generator in top shape. This small act contributes to larger sustainable practices, minimizing unnecessary disposal and extending the life of essential components. Every time you choose to follow recommended maintenance procedures, you are embracing an eco-friendly approach that benefits us all. It's about more than just saving money or avoiding inconvenience. It's about taking a stand for the environment. Proper maintenance means fewer repairs, less waste, and a reduced carbon footprint. And as we cultivate these responsible habits, we collectively foster a culture of environmental stewardship. So, let's embrace these sustainable practices with open arms. With each maintenance session, remember, you're not just caring for your generator, you're caring for the Earth. As we move forward, consider how these small changes can have a profound impact, setting the stage for a cleaner, greener future. Up next, we'll explore how these practices tie into broader solutions for reliable power and peace of mind. As we reach the conclusion of our comprehensive guide, let's take a moment to recap the essential maintenance tips we've covered. Proper generator care isn't just about ensuring your equipment starts. It's about guaranteeing it runs efficiently and safely when you need it most. Remember the critical steps. Clean your generator regularly, stabilize the fuel, maintain the battery, and store it in optimal conditions to prevent corrosion. Now, I encourage you to implement these practices. Taking action today means peace of mind tomorrow. By doing so, you protect your investment and ensure your generator is ready during emergencies or power outages. The benefits are clear: extending your generator's lifespan, ensuring reliability, and reducing costly repairs. With these maintenance strategies, you can confidently face any situation that comes your way. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards better generator care. Ultra Prime Selections Inc. is committed to helping you stay prepared and we hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge you need. Join us next time as we explore more topics to enhance your emergency readiness. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide on generator maintenance, remember, preparedness is key. Regular upkeep isn't just a routine task, it's your assurance that when the unexpected happens, you're ready. Whether it's a sudden power outage or an emergency situation, your generator needs to be in top condition. We've delved into the intricacies of maintaining various types of generators, emphasizing the vital role of brands like Champion and Ultra Prime Selections Inc. But this journey doesn't end here. We encourage you to implement these maintenance practices, safeguarding your investment and ensuring peace of mind. By doing so, you not only extend the life of your generator, but also contribute to its optimal performance when you need it most. Stay tuned for more insightful content from us at Ultra Prime Selections Inc. We'll continue to provide you with the latest tips, tricks, and updates to keep your equipment running smoothly. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep your generators ready and stay prepared for whatever comes your way. Until next time, take care and keep those engines purring.